Before the election of 2024, a coalition of brilliant minds from mathematics, science, and the occult, alongside the United Black American Political Party, formulated a strategy to secure reparations and restitution owed to Black Americans. Their vision was not just about compensation, but about empowering the collective body of Black Americans to build and thrive as an independent, sovereign entity. Their journey began with a profound focus on healing. By addressing the emotional and psychological wounds within their communities, they inspired a turn towards righteousness and operational integrity within the earth. Their efforts were supported and facilitated daily by the digital platform theunitedblacknation.com. Once emotional and mental healing was underway, they turned their attention to healing the planet. They launched large-scale initiatives to clean up the ocean's trash and debris, revitalize soils, restore deserts, and tackle the space debris orbiting Earth. These efforts created billions of jobs and sparked a new renaissance in technological development. The resulting economic boom led to a significant leap in space-time exploration and development. With a workforce of 1 billion people focused on spiritual and technological advancement, humanity, under the guidance of the United Black family, was welcomed back into the galactic community. They began to restore and mend their fractured relationships in galactic affairs, establishing a new era of unity and progress for all of humanity.